How to set default payment in Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to set a default payment on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto You button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find payment option. Tap on it. Now here you can find add payment method. Select it. And simply add your payment method. And after adding it, simply tap onto the payment method you wish to set as default. And after tapping on it, simply tap on to set as default. So you must have at least one other payment method on file before you can delete an existing default payment method. And that's it. This is how you can set default payment in Lyft app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.